So I attained the rank of a sergeant. I went on numerous courses in the JDF, and that helps to mold me.
So can you share any particular moment that stand out in your memory with being in the Army?
Yes, there are three ones that stood out in my mind to do this day. The first one in 1977, I just came down from Newcastle, and there was the June flood.
Yeah, I remember that.
I don't know if you were born at that
Yeah,
time.
I remember the June flood. I remember the June flood came from when they seeded the clothes.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
That was 1980.
Yes.
Yeah.
And no, 1977.
77, sorry,
Right.
yeah.
And
but there was a repeat again.
There was a repeat, yes.
Again, yeah.
Newmarket, most of Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth was flooded.
Yeah.
And we had to bring food on our backs with water, sometimes waist height, to take to the places that are maroon, people in the maroon area.
Yeah.
And so that, because the helicopter were also dropping foods at different locations, and sometimes we have to walk there to distribute it so that it could be evenly distributed. That stand out in my mind because it was a great act of volunteerism included in my work.
Did I call it? It's very tactical and it's real.
It's real. It's real. The other one to me was when I was, I'm an athlete.
Yeah.
I run for Jamaica and the JDF.
Wow.
And at the World Cross Country Championship in Pensacola, Florida, I was asked to take the flag. I was a flag bearer.
Wow.
And that was a defining moment of honor for me to be able to lead my congregation, lead my team.
Representing
JDF
and Jamaica. So you got JJ.
Vice versa.
JJ.
Yes.
Yeah.
And that was a defining moment for me. To today's date, it's always fresh in my mind. And my other moment was when I was sent on course in England, the Royal School of Military Police, to do executive protection, which is bodyguard.
Wow.
And as the only black person of color, I was able to withstand all the racism.
Yeah, and it was very, very much like the norm for some people.
It was blatant.
Yeah.
It was blatant. And was the first foreign student to come first into a course of 125 years.
Wow.
Now, the reports when we get back to Jamaica read that if they were to rank persons, I would have been in the top 3.
Wow.
And we know why they rank it that way, because it would have been a disrespect for a foreigner, especially, you know,
yeah,
to
typical.
come and, right. So, but I'm happy that I've gone there and represent my country well and represent the JDF.
All right. Let me ask you, so at any time during your tenure of being in the Army, did you encounter any form of like music history, music theory, any partake in any form of music eventualities, etc.? Music? Yeah.
Well, music has soul of life, you know. Yes, man, music has soul of life. And, you know, being an athlete, we were exposed to a lot of the musical side of things. And you know, the JDF have a history where
Yard style life.